Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate things. First, gather your high-quality chocolate, whether it's couverture or baking bars, along with any flavorings or inclusions you desire. Next, ensure you have essential tools like a double boiler or microwave, a thermometer, and molds. We'll then dive into the foundational steps, ensuring you have a solid understanding to create delightful chocolate treats right in your own kitchen. Tempering chocolate is crucial for that perfect shine and satisfying snap. It involves carefully controlling the chocolate's temperature to stabilize its cocoa butter crystals. For dark chocolate, melt it to around 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it down to 81 degrees. Finally, gently rewarm it to between 88 and 91 degrees Fahrenheit. This process ensures your finished chocolate is smooth, stable, and beautiful. Selecting the right chocolate is key to your creation. Dark chocolate, often with 50 to 70% cocoa solids, is excellent for rich truffles or sturdy molded bars. Milk chocolate with its added milk solids is sweeter and creamier, perfect for everyday treats or a smoother ganache. White chocolate made without cocoa solids provides a sweet, buttery base for vibrant colorings and delicate flavors. Now for the fun part, creating. You can make luxurious truffles by rolling chilled ganache in cocoa powder or chopped nuts. For personalized chocolate bars, simply pour tempered chocolate into molds and sprinkle in your favorite inclusions like dried cranberries or toasted almonds. Or, for a quick treat, dip fresh strawberries, crunchy pretzels, or crisp cookies into your perfectly tempered chocolate. The possibilities are truly endless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.